Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Mango languages for quick learning, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Mango languages website or download the mobile app. Create an account using your email address or social media credentials. Once logged in, select the language you wish to learn. Explore the available courses based on your skill level. Choose the beginner course for foundational learning. Familiarize yourself with the interface to navigate easily through lessons. Start your first lesson, which will introduce basic vocabulary and phrases. Listen carefully to the audio pronunciation of each word. Repeat the words aloud to practice your speaking skills. Utilize the interactive exercises to reinforce your learning. Take advantage of the cultural insights provided throughout the lessons. Progress at your own pace, completing lessons that feel comfortable for you. Use the review features to revisit material you've already covered. Set daily goals to maintain a consistent study routine. Track your progress and celebrate milestones to stay motivated. Immerse yourself in the language using additional resources provided by Mango Languages. After completing the beginner course, consider advancing to more complex lessons for continued growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.